Alright. Farewell, my friend. Why? Damn you, pothole! Why? What's good, fam? It's your boy Kevin, but welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be installing my bushing. I'm here with my boy Kenny again at his place. Unfortunately, we ran into a little issue here. Go ahead and show them. Right now, you see something, you know, you see that wheel, and you see that. Let me show you guys what happened on the way to his house. Let's see if I can. Oh my God! Look at that. It's a very sad day. Dude, my thumb can fit in here. So yeah, it's a very sad day. So what happened was, I was driving on the freeway and there was this pothole out of nowhere. I couldn't avoid it and went straight into it. It was a very deep pothole and instant. I mean, like instant. It went from 39 psi to 7 psi to 0. And luckily, I was on the way to Kenny's house anyway, and we were gonna do this installing my bushing. And I hit him up, and he came to help me out. My little angel. And then now, he said, you know, well, I'd be down about it. I mean, stuff happens, and you know, he let me borrow his stock. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna install our bushing and make the day of it, you know. We can't be here and kind of like be down about it. And I mean, already happened. It's just a wheel. Could have been worse, you know. I was on the middle of the freeway too, so I'm over here recording in my car, but Kenny over here doing the work. Don't worry, guys. I work on my car too. This video is not gonna be in depth on how to do the install. If you want to do that, I'm gonna link Kenny's channel and his video about it. He goes in depth. It'll be pretty easy for anyone who wants to do it at home. This is just kind of like a vlog style / mini install. I didn't want to record first because, you know, that happened to my wheel and basically broke. So, but Kenny said, hey, if you don't record it, you're gonna regret it and you're gonna hate yourself. So that's what I'm doing. Right, Kenny?
Yes, sir.
All right. Anything for the content, right? Right? Anything for the content.
They gonna miss you.
Yeah. What'd you say? Version 4 gonna come way sooner than I thought. Been thinking about version 4 for a bit, and I guess this is Buddha telling me, hey,
It's time.
it's time. And we were talking about the wheels that we want, and we all said, hey man, as a crew, let's all do it and get the same wheels but different color and different spec, just to, you know, be a crew. But we said later, quotation later with a capital L. But I don't know now. I gotta figure out what I gotta do. Luckily, my baby's so nice. He's gonna let me borrow his stocks wheel. You know, this car's stocks wheels, and I'm gonna ride that for a bit until I figure out what I want to do. What's the video about?
The bushings. He got RR bushings.
Oh, so you saying he watched your video?
Yeah.
Y'all hear that? This man's famous.
Jason, I love you.
You hear that? This man's famous. He's watching right now.
I'm watching it on the floor. I think it's like a 22, a 19, blah blah, something like that.
This guy made a video over it and he don't even know.
I don't remember. I study, you know, one day and then I just give up the next day.
Post a video and then you forget everything, right?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. First bolt. That's a long one. I'm gonna guess 14. Yeah.
Your guess, I give it to you.
Another bolt. Alright, all the bolt out. Support out. Most of the small one for the bracket is gonna be a 14, and then you have a 22 that's holding the, and then 22 on the actual bushing itself.
Did you hear Jason? He said my name. Oh my god.
Say it again.
Yes. Nice. Good shout out for the video, Kenny. You beat me to it. I wanted to do it.
Big! I'm more famous!
You leak water too.
I guess I'm not special. I'm not leaking water.
No, the other side is gonna leak, dude. I don't know why.
Oh my god! My big ass forehead is in the camera the whole time. Ain't nobody told me my forehead was in the camera? This is what coming up from the actual bushing and stuff. It's a 22 nut and it's a washer. Wow, man, it's so focused on my forehead, man. I don't like this. 17 right here. You're gonna have to do a short one.
What the fuck?
That's what I'm saying.
Is it caught on the plastic tray?
No, it's not. It just won't come out.
Oh, there's a nut on the top of that one.
Bro, this guy.
What? I told you. I study one time and then I forget.
You see this? This man get popular on his video and then he's like, oh, by the way, I forgot there's a nut.
Nah, this is not me, guys.
Right, Kenny. Boy get one. Homeboy gets one shout out. You think he's a big shot now?
Hey, I'm just watching a video. You feel it?
Yeah, Kenny, I do feel it. I don't know which way I'm turning though. I can barely feel it. So, this is what we have right here. RCF and GSF. Both at the left, and we got the right one. And this is the old one. Looks similar, but this is more better. It's left. So we're gonna do that one. This is right, put it over here. And boo-boo. FYI, if someone's selling these for 200 bucks, don't buy it. You can go to those Lexus part stores and
Bell Lexus.
Bell Lexus and you know get them for like about what 110 maybe with tax and everything. Lube this thing right here so it won't squeak. And you just put not too much, right?
I just put enough all over. Yeah. Maybe you can make it all like slip.
This whole thing, right?
Mm-hmm. Not the thread, just the
Yeah.
shaft. See how Kevin does it. One finger or two?
Oh, I use my middle finger.
Oh, just one? That's all it takes?
That's all it takes. Middle finger strong. A middle finger strong. Aw, man, I'm dumb.
Oh, you tighten the brace first?
Oh shit.
What size is the brace?
14. See? So all right, we're good. Oh, that was too easy. That was way too easy.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I don't trust that. Sorry, my camera keep dying and all this stuff, so I just end up doing the other side too. So we have a replacement already. As you can see right there, we have replaced it. This is the 22. This is the 22. These three right here, it's 14, and you have a 17 over there. And I'm gonna put a picture of the torque spec for each one. But overall, what I did over there, repeat the same thing over here. Make sure you lube the inside of this, and yep, torque it down. 22, 22, 14, 14, 14. There's a 17 over there, and yep. Switching the front two wheels to the stock ones right now. We got this one back on already, and Kenny is doing the other one. For the moment, for me to drive home. Let me show you guys the damage. So these are my front, and look at this. Oh man, yeah, there's no fixing that. She's done, donezo. But what can you do about it? You know, what can you do about it? You know, try to not waste a day. We did the bushing, and now I gotta go drive home. We're gonna go eat real quick, and it is what it is. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and deuces.